Erokamanya Juma kapod wantiere weche mag pur en jopith county ma Tana River koro biro luwo jambgi kod yo manyasani tok sirikal yango chenro mar ANITRAC matiyo kod mbui luwo jamni e county no. Kano yao ayanga chenro no e kar dak ma Tana Delta, jatend migawo mar pith kod pur Mutahi Kagwe wacho ni chenro no biro konyo duoko piny kuo mar jamni, konyo jopith kod chopo e chirni moko yudo mondo giyudo hola, mok gikawo hola. Chenro bende ochan mar ting'o malo ngima jopurgo kod ochumi ma pacho ka.
An animal is tagged with a chip that is going to trace the animal wherever the animal is. At the same time, we can literally identify the animal. It is like an ID that is going to be attached to a specific animal. And for that reason, moving forward, we will be indirectly fighting banditry, especially those who have been stealing animals from all over the place and all over the country. That will be a thing of the past. And secondly, and most importantly, is that the animals we are identifying will be able to export animals that have been clearly identified and traced.
Takriban ngombe 600,000, tuko na mbuzi 1,000,000 na kondoo 800,000 na ngamia 100,000 na punda karibu 50,000. Kwa hivyo tuko na utajiri mkubwa wa mambo ya mifugo, na hii itatusaidia kujua mifugo yetu ya Tana River.
Kitu ambao umetuletea serikali ni kitu ambao akona maana, ambao tuendelee kila sehemu wa Tana River yote watu akubali, kwa vile naona mimi mizi kazi yake imeisha
na watu hawatoweza kuiba mifugo yetu tena. Na pia tutajua ile mifugo ambayo ni ya hapa Tana River na ile mifugo